What the battery these days?
No.
Ugh.
Mummy. You got that on camera.
You videoed me?
Yeah. That was on camera. Mum's too thirsty. Mum!